We're taking a group of juniors from Benell Smith and we're exposing them to Core Technology. Core Technology is a company that does plastic injection molding. It's a high-tech job, so we're trying to connect our students with these job opportunities. Students learn about precision measurement, they learn about 3D printing, they learn about CAD drawing, and those are all things that we find here at Core Technology.
We're a manufacturer and we ship all over the world for plastic products, and then our nonprofit Molding Kids for Success. It's all about community impact and it's all about diversity and making sure we address and eventually close the STEM gap. One of the objectives for Molding Kids for Success is to really tie in what the students are learning in the classroom to what we do in the industry. So they saw some of the things like thermodynamics, some basic engineering principles, but then also things outside of what we would call our normal engineering. So things in supply chain, even some things business-wise that they might have seen. So structure and function. They really got a end-to-end visibility, deep dive into what it looks like to formulate a color. So we see products on the shelves, so like Pepsi Blue, Coca-Cola Red, Gatorade Orange, so they have to start somewhere. So in our facility, we get a chance to show them that it starts out as one color, but it ends up as another color. But how it transforms, there's a lot of engineering involved.
The 3D printing and the molding is kind of like times 3. Like we learn on a smaller scale, and then you come here, it's kind of like, oh wow, like I learned that at school, but this is kind of like real life application.
Coming here, I see how stuff is done, I see how it affects people and how they can come together and do stuff like this. And it's always really cool to see this type of stuff. You see that it's not just one field, but it's multiple different fields that people are coming together and working with. Everything looks really cool.
Diversity at the core is what we do. We know that the more we innovate, the more competitive advantage that we gain. So we're always looking for young talent to join the team. So starting as far as middle school, and definitely by the time they get into sophomore, junior year of high school, they get a chance to see what's out there, what's for them. Our goal is to touch as many students as we can. So there's over 70,000 students in Guilford County. So we see that as 70,000 different opportunities for us to make an impact.
What I find most exciting about taking trips like this to local industry is the kids get excited about what's happening in the industry, and they also get excited about what we're doing in class. It's really neat to see light bulbs getting turned on with these kids. It's very gratifying to see these students taking these opportunities.